Hi, I'm Pete, a staff designer at Squarespace. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate your website design and improve your visitor experience with Finish Layer, our new suite of professional-grade creative and editing tools. Squarespace is known for its best-in-class design, and now you can get studio-quality results to help your site look credible, stay authentic, and drive performance. And the best part? You can do it all yourself, with no design training or experience required. So let's check it out. First up, we'll look at block animations and block transforms, two new visual treatments that push your website design to the next level. Block animations are just like they sound, new ways to add motion to your content for a richer, dynamic scrolling experience. Start by selecting a block, then add a trigger from the Animation tab. You can apply a ready-to-go preset or click in to customize settings down to the percentage, degree, or pixel. You can also create an extra punch in 3D mode and fine-tune animation timing. Once finished, just hit the preview button to see your work in action. Keep in mind that too many animations on your site can sometimes overwhelm visitors, but everyone's style is unique, so definitely explore a few directions to see what feels best. You'll also see a list of transforms within the Design tab of a block's settings. These can affect the display and position of your content to add more nuance and personality. Explore options like skew and rotate. Then click into the anchor icon to adjust the relative center of content within its container. Together, block animations and transforms can reinforce your visual storytelling and draw more attention to the content you choose. Next, let's explore new responsive editing options to keep your content organized and better optimized for mobile. Layers are a new way to control the visibility of content when website blocks overlap. Just click into the Layers panel within a section and drag to rearrange the block order. That brings your most important content to the forefront and adds more depth to your design. Meanwhile, stacks help you arrange, align, or style multiple blocks together as a group. This makes it easier to create clean layouts and maintain visual consistency. Start by selecting the blocks you want, click the stack icon, then click the pencil icon to control design details, including animations and transforms. You can also rearrange a stack's block sequence from the Layers panel. Now for mobile improvements. Today, over 60% of all views to Squarespace sites are on mobile devices, so maintaining a cohesive mobile experience is critical. Every new Squarespace site gets a built-in mobile version that mirrors its desktop counterpart and flexes to every viewport. But sites with lots of content on desktop might feel misrepresented or too long on mobile. The good news is, you can now choose which blocks to show or hide on desktop or mobile with block hiding. There are two ways to hide a block. From the editor, go to the Layers panel again on any section and click the eye icon next to the block you want to hide. When doing this in the editor's mobile preview, that section will automatically adjust to remove negative space. In either view, you can also use the new right-click menu and select Hide on Desktop or Hide on Mobile. Just make sure to spot check all affected views after you hide a block. Mobile overrides are another way to create a different mobile design from your desktop, but more for layout and stylings. From your site's mobile view, you can select any block and make changes to its design properties, including transforms. These updates don't affect your desktop design and give you more freedom to control how your site looks across both devices. Last, let's see how font uploads can create consistent branding across more of your footprint. While your website is like your online home, you may already have created a brand identity elsewhere. To help you use the same font choice when it's not already in Squarespace, you can now upload external font files and apply them to your site. Go to the Site Styles tab and click on the arrow next to Fonts. From there, jump into Headings, Paragraphs, or Miscellaneous, select the drop-down, and click the upload icon at the top. All major font types are supported, and once uploaded, show up in the Uploaded section. You can then make your font the default for different text categories and adjust line height, letter spacing, and more. With Finish Layer, you can refine your online aesthetic and customize details like never before. Make a statement with block animations and add expressive touches with block transforms. Simplify your workflow and create better mobile designs with responsive editing. Keep branding consistent across more of your presence with font uploads. All of these tools are built directly into Squarespace and backed by over 20 years of expertise, so you're set up to stand out and succeed online. Jump into Squarespace to try Finish Layer yourself. And remember, you've got this.